Good morning students. Today I am starting a chapter 3rd which is more on SQL. So today's topic is inserting data in a table, updating table and deleting a data from a table. So first we are seeing here insert command, and the syntax of this command is insert into table name and values, and inside the parenthesis we will write all the values which we want to insert in the above table. Just see the example: insert into table, and the name of the table is employee, values 1001. This is the employee number Amit. This is the value of name manager. This is the value of job 10,000. This is the value of salary, and the last one is 10, that is the department number. So the sequence should be according to the table of employee, and numeric value will be come here without inverted commas, and character and varchar value should be inside the single quotes. And suppose we want to insert only the specific value in a table, so in insert command you have to specify the name of column. Suppose we want to insert the value only of employee number, name and job, so the command will be insert into employee, and these are the three columns for which we want to insert the values 1001 Amit and manager. So 1001 is the value of employee number, Amit is a value of name, and manager is a value of job. We can also insert null values in this way. Suppose the table name is a employee, so insert into employee, and these are the name of the columns of a table. So here the values is a 8100, that is the employee number, yes is a employee name, analyst is a job, and the value of MGR is here we are mentioning null. Hire date is 10th May 2003. Sale is 6000. Commission again we are mentioning here null value, and department number which is 20. We can also insert the dates in a table, but you should follow the format, that is YY. First will be the 4 digit of year, second will be the 2 digit month, and third will be the 2 digit of date. So this is the default format which we will use in a insert command. We can also insert data in a table from another table. Just see an example: insert into branch. So we are inserting a data into branch 1, and we are selecting the all the data from branch 2 where gross is greater 7000. So the structure of both the tables should be same. Next command is update command, which is used to update the data in a table. The syntax of is update table name set column name equal value, and suppose we want mention the condition, so we can use the where clause. Just see the example: update employee set salary equals salary plus 500. So in this command salary will be incremented of all the employees by 500, whereas in this command the salary will be update by 500 whose employee number is 1001. So there are the two ways. Suppose we want to update the data for all the employees, so this will be the example for that, and when we will use the where clause, so this will update only the matching records of a table. We can also update more than one column value at a time. Just see in this example: update employee table where set roll equal 400 and QH equal 700, where I code equal I code is less than 1040. And update command, in update command we can also use in expression such as update employee set gross equal gross plus 900. And today's last command is delete command. So delete command is used to delete our data from a table. The syntax of this command is delete from table name. Just see the example, delete from employee, so all the data will be deleted from employee table. And in this example, delete from employee where department number equal 10, so we can mention the condition in where clause, so all the data will be deleted from this table of department number 10. Now see some more examples. Delete from items, so by this command all the data of items tables will be deleted. Second one is delete from employee where gross is less than 2200, so all records will be deleted from this table whose gross is less than 2200. So in delete command, when we are deleting the all data of a table, so only the data will be deleted but structure will remain stored in MySQL. So the difference between delete and drop, in case of drop, table will be deleted permanently from MySQL. So when the table will be deleted, automatically the data of that table will be deleted. But in case of the delete command, only the data will be deleted, table structure will be remain same in MySQL.